Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Amazon. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 9th of May, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Amazon as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.44. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 2.3%. This results in an average return of 0.77% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 19.37% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 34.49% to negative 19.37%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 12.37%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 1.71% to positive 45.14% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $189.76 and $280.19. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Amazon stock price up approximately 0.5% on Friday. The Amazon stock price experienced a gain of approximately 0.5% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 9th of May, 2025, rising from $192.08 to $193.05. It has now seen gains for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if the stock takes a minor break in the upcoming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 1.85%, reaching a low of $191.16 and a high of $194.69. Although the price has declined on 6 of the last 10 days, it remains up by 2.15% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 12 million shares, with a total of 29 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $5.59 billion. It is important to note that falling volume amidst rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the near future. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $242.52, while the lowest was $151.61. Currently, the price stands 20.40%, or $49.47, below the 52-week high, and 85.21%, or $1,112.15, below the all-time high reached on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price reached $1,305.20. Amazon is experiencing a notable uptick in stock performance, attributed in part to the resilience shown in its Amazon Prime Video, sports strategy, and ongoing advertising business potential. Today's remarks from Mike Hopkins, head of Prime Video, highlight how sports content significantly boosts viewership and correspondingly advertising revenue, suggesting a promising avenue for growth. Adding to this positive sentiment, the stock market is reacting to recent trade discussions between the United States and China, with President Trump signaling a willingness to lower tariffs significantly. This has created a cautiously optimistic atmosphere, contributing to Amazon's stock gaining approximately 1%. As the markets navigate the complexities of trade negotiations, Amazon and other tech giants are positioned well due to their robust business models, particularly with Amazon Web Services serving as a profitability anchor amid broader market concerns. In the long term, as Amazon continues to refine its offerings and expand into new markets, like the recent launch of vegan K-beauty products, its competitive edge grows sharper. Improved operating margins reported for the first quarter of 2025 reflect management's focus on efficiency and may indicate brighter earnings prospects. Investors looking for solid long-term plays could find Amazon appealing at current valuation levels, assuming they have a horizon extending beyond mere fluctuations tied to trade volatility. As Amazon solidifies its role across various sectors, it becomes increasingly positioned to weather short-term market uncertainties. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Amazon a buy grade with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that JMP Securities designated Amazon with a market outperform grade along with a hold action. Again, on Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that Tigris Financial rated Amazon with a buy grade and a hold action. Moving to Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald rated Amazon with a hold grade and a hold action. On the same day, Goldman Sachs reported a buy grade for Amazon, along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. The chart today shows predominantly positive signals. The Amazon stock is currently receiving buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support from the levels at $189.33 and $186.33. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, April 21, 2025, and the stock has since experienced an increase of 15.38%. Further gains are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. It is noteworthy that volume declined during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 23 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 53 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 43 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon finds support from accumulated volume at $191.10. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock experiences average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk level is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.53 between its high and low, which is approximately 1.85%. Throughout the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 2.69%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.34. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $194.54. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $191.10. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the first day of May, 2025, Harrington Douglas J. conducted an insider sale of 2,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the first day of April 2025, Harrington Douglas J. conducted another insider sale of 2,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 12th day of March 2025, Noyi Indra K. conducted an insider purchase of 4,806 shares of restricted stock unit award. On the 3rd day of March 2025, Harrington Douglas J. conducted an insider sale of 2,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 3rd day of March 2025, Bezos Jeffrey P. conducted an insider sale of 239,843 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 55.093. Overall, insiders purchased 221,486 shares and sold 749,212 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $187.08, representing a decrease of 3.09%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 78, which significantly heightens the risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 14 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are looking positive. Even though the stock is currently in a declining trend, we believe that this level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 12th of May, we anticipate that Amazon will open lower by approximately 8 cents, beginning at $192.97. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone at StockInvest.